folks, it's me again. What am I doing? What am I doing? This is the weekly What's New. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends, blah, 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 all that stuff. Yes, I'm still here. I may have forgotten to upload a video 1 or 2 weeks in a row, mostly because real people get busy. Not that I'm saying I'm real or anything, but, it could be a very, very, very round, bald-headed version of AI, but I don't know with this whole thing. AI crap, but I'll get into that crap later. Still making videos, still in the real world, still got junk in my eye. Garage is still a mess. Picked up a new a new vise for a tool video. I was at a garage sale. I was gonna get a big one, but I should have bought it. It was a $50 Colombian vise. I could probably flipped it for like 150. I'm like, you know what? I didn't wanna. So I got to get some 3M glue. I'm gluing a seat together soon. Channel's still going. I'm working on getting that little bike out of here. Apparently the engine that I bought was sent. I don't know, the barcode got ripped off in shipping and FedEx blamed it on somebody, so it's I wonder if I'm gonna get ripped off or not. I don't know if I've been scammed, but I'll see. But the Facebook ad's still up there, still says sold, and the guy posted stuff in the group, so I'm hoping I don't get scammed. What else? I got Honda parts, whole bag. I'd make a video on this, but this is probably the second, third, or 100th most boring video I ever got. Got an entire bag full of nuts and bolts from Rocky Mountain ATV. If you never heard of them and you're fixing one of your Hondas, I don't care about anything else, but if you're fixing a Honda and you need bolts, go to Rocky Mountain ATV. It's everything above $75 is free shipping. They have a lot of pieces and stuff. You'd be amazed what's still available. Why did I buy a lot of new bolts? Because the stupid bike had no bolts. And I didn't know which ones came with, so I went through and bought other ones for a frame. If this engine actually comes through, I won't need anything. Comes with throttle and wire harness. Comes with the carb. I have a carb. Comes with a thumb throttle and the engine. So I have a pretty shitty exhaust, but I'll probably buy an aftermarket one later on. Once to get this thing running. If I can get the engine, if it comes in, I don't get screwed, I'll put it on there, get it running, and then I'll start getting a new exhaust system and stuff like that. Right now, I think I'm probably going to pick up glue for the other seat online and buy a seat for it, because you can still sit on it without fenders. But I have the front fender. I don't have the rear fender, which is $200 from Meyer. I'll probably buy it next month, which is in 2 weeks, $200. So this month I'm buying the seat. I want to do as a part of. I'm trying to get the thing done at least, maybe, because right now the video, it's June. It's June. I don't know what the hell date is. 13th, 10th, 12th. I don't know. I really don't know. It's all a big blur. It's like living is just one big circle. Sun keeps going around. I feel like the 7 days a week is going around and around. So. When AI takes everything over, I'm sure we'll be even more bored. Be like, they took over all our jobs. What do we do? Oh, we could farm today. Well, maybe we could lay on the beach for a month. I don't know. Anyway, I wish, but actually I don't. Even if they automated the whole world, I'd still be in my garage screwing around making shit because you think AI is gonna be fixing bikes for fun and riding around? No. Maybe super AI intelligence might kill us all and won't have to worry about it. There'll be a few extra hundreds still out there. But with that said, I don't think we're changing too much. Put us in a box, do whatever, but, we'll still making videos. Once they shut down YouTube. With that said, I'm still here. I forgot a few videos. I've been busy. It's people think making videos is really easy, but the problem is the editing time. And I try to, you probably notice if you watch my channel, I don't do much editing. I'm using, Apple, whatever the hell the free program Apple is. I try to edit out the sounds. I try to cut some of the grinding down and basic stuff and try to make it interesting, but I'm not I just try to make it simple for you guys. I've been trying to keep the videos under 10 minutes. Sometimes I just throw it all together and whatever, I need a video. So I would like to put some. I don't have internet in my garage because my house is over there, my other house is over there, and this garage is in the middle of a dead zone. I can barely get a phone on here. So I'm thinking of just biting the bullet and getting high-speed internet put in here. And with that said, just do a couple of live videos on Friday nights and just mess around. because with live videos you do get more watch time. If I get 10 people and watch for an hour, that's 10 what, 100 hours watch time every month. Need 3,000 hours of watch time. So do the math. Right now I only got about I think, like with the rolling scale, at the highest I ever got was almost 3,000 watch hours per year, and then it dwindled, and that wasn't perfect. It was mostly when I was doing a lot of shorts. Shorts are time consuming. They suck. They've pretty much destroyed YouTube as far as I'm concerned, because nobody has a attention span bigger than a minute anymore. So even me, I'm like flipping the things and stuff. Mostly trying to get my YouTube PhD to figure out how to put this stuff together, or get crusty off this. But with that, it's not easy trying to. And I don't want to be a. I'm not trying to be Mr. Beast or anything. I'm just trying to get monetized so I can make enough money to get a pizza. If I get demonetized after that, I don't care. It would be fun. And what's weird is around here, some people actually recognize my YouTube channel, which is kind of like scary, because you start realizing you're making videos and somebody's watching them. And I go across the border and the lady's like, "You make videos?" And I'm like, "Who, me?" She's like, "Yeah." She's like, "I seen your videos." I'm like, "Oh God!" Like it's unless you're, I don't know, some, what do they call that, egomaniac or narcissist? I don't know what the word is. Unless you're a person who's all like, "Yeah, look at me," and like, but if you're a regular guy, you're just like, "Oh yeah, okay," rolling your eyes, just like, sure. But then it's like, then ask me why I do it, because it's fun. It's fun getting comments. So if you leave comments, it's, I mean, like I said, I don't do this because I want to have like super perfect videos with the perfect music. And you know what? This is just me. I got old shirts. I don't have a budget for this, so I'm not making any money off it. I buy little things that I know I'm going to need once from now. I buy things that are, cost money in the long run. Oh, I did get ultrasonic cleaner, which I'll do a review of that. It was the only reason why I bought it was because I needed it. But the real reason is they've been a 6-liter ultrasonic cleaner has been like $149 for the last 2 years, and all of a sudden they're $89. So I'm like, it's cheaper than Harbor Freight and the Vivor. It's the one with buttons. As I was told, don't buy the electronic one. Buy the one with actual dial, because electronic ones die and they're toast. And if the dial breaks, you can always fix the dial. So I got a 6-liter one. I better put it in here soon, because this place is not heated, and probably by December it'll be an ultrasonic refrigerator. So I don't know how many things. Okay, I'm dragging this on. So anyway, I'm still making videos. I'm trying to get an ATC 70 done. Once that's done, that'll be out of here. You'll probably just see me making some videos with it once in a while. I'm trying to get the ATC 250 out of here. Get all the parts on that. Then after, I'm going to speed through the other one, because I'm waiting for powder coating, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. They're all getting all the parts. They're like, and I probably spent. There's a front rack. There's about 6 rack pieces. The frame's already done. The triple tree and a couple of things, and the rest, like on the 250, it's sitting back there under a rug. Well, not rug, but a little cloth. I'm just putting that back together. I'm not doing the like full, mind you, I might need to buy a few new bolts, but I'm probably gonna not doing a full like restoration. This one right here that you can see with the light here, that one's getting a full nut and bolt thing, whatever I can find that doesn't look shitty. I'm gonna rechrome a few pieces. The 87, I'll probably do a full, like, I'll do a full cleanup. I don't know if I want to take it apart though, because I might. And then my other problem is I got to figure out where to put these 2 things, because once I got 1, 2, 3, maybe 4. There's already one outside. I have the everyday bike sits outside. It's got a cover on it. It's been out there winter, summer, whatever. Got to build a little shed, but I don't know if my shed's big enough for 4 AT250 ESs. So I don't know. I might sell one. I don't want to sell them, but I want to keep them all. I want to save every one. No, just kidding. I'm going to probably build a little section I was in the yard, put them in there, and I probably will flip one. I'll keep the best out of the 3. For the 200 one here, I would like to see if I can get it started. It needs a pull cord rebuild. The other one, it has the pull cord thing. It seems like it's all complete. So the problem is I have to find the dude on Facebook or one of the groups who sells a fiberglass replacement seat for it. and nobody sells foam for it. So I got that stupid thing, and I have one seat pan, so I might keep one with a good seat pan. I want to get a fiberglass one, but then they don't make foam for it, so that's the problem. I have to get a hold of High Flight. They can make some wonky junky foam, which is really nice, by the way, and you have to get the custom Flight cover because they made it different than the regular 200C, which had to be different. So $100 later, but the foam is like, it is beautiful. It is absolutely like. Anyway, with that said, probably enough yapping and schlapping. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell your friends. And man, my eyes are tired. I'm like, it's getting blurry. Then when else get old and like your eyes just all of a sudden like a certain time just get blurry. You're like, ooh, I don't know, maybe I'm crazy or old. So with that said, I'm still making videos.